Hello. Today we are going to address a very important topic for our health, which can be avoided if we make some simple decisions. Did you know that some fruits can be powerful allies for prostate health? Imagine being able to protect your prostate in a natural and delicious way with no side effects. It seems too good to be true, but science proves that certain fruits are true shields against inflammation, prostate diseases, and even cancer. And the best part, you can include them in your diet today. Scientific studies by nutrition experts, such as the renowned Dr. Barbara O'Neill, reveal that diet can be the key to preventing and even reversing prostate problems. Among the most powerful foods, 6 exceptional fruits stand out, capable of reducing inflammation, neutralizing free radicals, reducing the risk of benign prostatic hyperplasia, and even preventing prostate cancer thanks to proven anti-cancer compounds. But here's the secret: not all fruits act in the same way. Some are good, others are excellent, and one of them in particular is considered the most powerful of all, with effects that surpass even some conventional medications. Now you may be wondering, what is this #1 fruit? And why is it so effective? The answer may surprise you, especially since it may already be in your kitchen, waiting to be consumed. To fully understand the power of these fruits, it is essential to know the complete list, ranked from least to most effective. If you want to protect your male health naturally and efficiently, you cannot miss this revelation. Stay with us to find out what these fruits are and how they can transform the health of your prostate. The last one on the list in particular may be the key to a healthier and longer life. So let's get to the ranking. In 6th place is the pomegranate. The pomegranate stands out as one of the most powerful fruits in protecting the prostate, with such an impressive nutritional profile that it has caught the attention of the international scientific community. Research published in the journal Cancer Prevention Research revealed that regular consumption of pomegranate juice can significantly inhibit the progression of prostate cancer, demonstrating a unique ability to reduce the proliferation of cancer cells in the prostate gland. Studies conducted at the University of California showed concrete results. Men who ingested 240 milliliters of pomegranate juice daily showed a marked decrease in PSA, prostate-specific antigen levels, an important marker of prostate health. The secret of the pomegranate lies in its punic allergens, unique antioxidants that are not found in other fruits in the same concentration. These substances act as powerful fighters against oxidative stress, one of the main factors behind cellular aging and prostate problems. The mechanism of action is particularly effective because pomegranate punicalagins are able to penetrate deep into prostate tissue, neutralizing free radicals and reducing local inflammatory processes. The ancient tradition of using pomegranate in traditional medicine is now supported by modern science. Researchers have discovered that the protective effects of the fruit can be even more pronounced when combined with other fruits on the list, creating a nutritional synergy that multiplies the individual benefits. This characteristic makes pomegranate an ideal complement to a comprehensive prostate health protocol, although its consumption alone has already shown measurable results in improving urological function and preventing prostate disorders. The potential of pomegranate goes beyond prevention, showing promise as an adjuvant in the treatment of already established prostate conditions. Its unique profile of polyphenols and antioxidants positions this ancient fruit as one of the most complete foods for maintaining prostate health over the years, offering multi-level protection against factors that compromise the proper functioning of the prostate gland. And that brings us to the next, even more powerful fruit that has caught the attention of scientists for its capabilities. In 5th place is papaya. Papaya, a widely available tropical fruit, has remarkable properties in protecting male prostate health. Studies published in the Journal of Nutritional Science show that the lycopene present in ripe papaya has significantly greater bioavailability when compared to other plant sources, a characteristic that enhances its beneficial effects on the prostate. Longitudinal research has identified that regular consumption of this fruit is associated with a 34% reduction in the risk of developing benign prostatic hyperplasia, one of the most common disorders in men over 50. Papaya's protective action operates on three main fronts: its ability to reduce inflammatory processes in the prostate gland, protection against oxidative damage to the DNA of prostate cells, and modulation of markers associated with abnormal tissue growth. The enzyme papain, abundant in papaya, emerges as one of its most valuable components, exhibiting a pronounced systemic anti-inflammatory effect that specifically benefits urological health. Researchers at the University of Florida have documented that men who included papaya in their regular diet had significantly lower levels of inflammatory markers related to prostate problems. A particularly relevant finding concerns the nutritional synergy between papaya and pumpkin seeds. Controlled clinical trials have shown that this combination enhances the protective effects by approximately 40%, surpassing the effectiveness of each food consumed alone. The way in which the fruit is consumed also directly influences the use of nutrients. Ripe papayas kept at room temperature have up to 3 times more bioavailable lycopene compared to those kept refrigerated, a crucial factor in maximizing its benefits. The nutritional richness of papaya, combined with its accessibility and culinary versatility, positions this fruit as a practical and effective option for preventing prostate disorders. Its unique profile of digestive enzymes, antioxidants, and natural anti-inflammatory compounds offers a holistic approach to maintaining male urological health throughout the aging process. Regular consumption of papaya, especially when combined with other protective foods, may represent a valuable nutritional strategy in reducing the risk of developing common prostate problems. While papaya is already impressive for its benefits, wait until you meet the next fruit in our ranking, a true nutrient powerhouse that is revolutionizing the natural approach to men's health. In fourth place is tomato. Tomato, often used as a basic culinary ingredient, has proven to be one of the most effective foods in protecting prostate health when properly prepared. An extensive Harvard Health study that followed 47,000 men for 12 years showed that consuming at least 10 servings of cooked tomatoes per week was associated with a 35% reduction in the risk of developing prostate cancer. This protective effect persists even in individuals with a family history of the disease, suggesting a potent biological mechanism of action. The effectiveness of tomatoes lies primarily in lycopene, the carotenoid pigment responsible for their red color. Research from Cornell University has shown that heat processing tomatoes ruptures their cell walls, releasing up to 5 times more bioavailable lycopene compared to raw tomatoes. When this process is combined with extra virgin olive oil, lycopene absorption increases by an impressive 250%, creating a highly effective nutritional formula. Lycopene has multiple and scientifically proven mechanisms of action on the prostate. This substance has demonstrated the ability to inhibit angiogenesis, the process of formation of new blood vessels that feed tumors, in addition to inducing apoptosis, programmed death, in prostate cancer cells. Laboratory studies have shown that lycopene is particularly effective in protecting against benign prostate growth, significantly reducing abnormal cell proliferation. The quality of the tomato directly impacts its therapeutic potential. Comparative analyses have revealed that organic tomatoes contain up to 50% more lycopene than their conventionally grown counterparts. Researchers at the University of Illinois also discovered that the strategic combination of tomatoes with broccoli results in a synergistic effect, being 43% more effective in protecting the prostate than each food consumed alone. Regular consumption of processed tomatoes, whether in the form of sauces, extracts, or soups, is emerging as one of the most scientifically sound nutritional strategies for maintaining prostate health throughout a man's life. Its unique profile of bioactive phytochemicals positions it as a top-notch functional food for preventing both benign and malignant prostate conditions. While tomatoes are already proving to be an extraordinary prostate protector, our next fruit goes even further. An exotic superfruit with such impressive properties that it is being studied as a possible adjunct to conventional treatment. In third place is avocado. Often celebrated for its cardiovascular benefits, it is equally powerful in protecting prostate health. Research conducted by Ohio University in 2022 demonstrated that the glutathione present in this fruit can reduce oxidative damage in prostate tissue by up to 40%, a crucial factor in preventing both benign hyperplasia and more serious conditions. The Journal of Men's Health published a longitudinal study showing that men who regularly consumed avocado had a 28% lower risk of developing benign prostatic hyperplasia. This protective effect is largely due to the unique combination of nutrients found in avocado, particularly its monounsaturated fats, which create an effective barrier against chronic inflammatory processes in the prostate. The natural phytosterols in avocado play a key role in regulating dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone closely linked to abnormal prostate growth. Controlled clinical trials have reported a 22% reduction in inflammatory markers in individuals who consumed half an avocado daily for 3 months. In addition, the high concentration of potassium in avocados, higher than that of bananas, helps to neutralize excess sodium in the body, reducing pressure on the urinary system. Researchers at the University of Cambridge have found that combining avocado with raw spinach increases the absorption of antioxidants crucial for prostate health by an impressive 300%. This nutritional synergy enhances the protective action of both foods, offering a more robust defense against factors that compromise prostate health over time. The complete nutritional profile of avocados, including their richness in vitamin E and several carotenoids, positions this fruit as one of the most complete foods for maintaining prostate health. Its regular consumption may represent an effective strategy both in the prevention and management of symptoms associated with prostate disorders common in aging men. While avocados are already impressive due to their multiple mechanisms of action, our next fruit is even more surprising, a remarkable little one that is revolutionizing natural oncology research. And in second place we have pear. Pear, often forgotten in discussions about male nutrition, has proven to be one of the most effective fruits for relieving symptoms associated with prostate problems. Research conducted by the University of Tokyo, with a sample of 3,000 men, showed that regularly eating 2 pears a week can reduce episodes of nocturia by 31%. Those annoying trips to the bathroom at night that affect the quality of life of so many men with an enlarged prostate. The secret of the pear lies in its unique composition of water and nutrients. With 84% water in its structure, the fruit acts as a natural diuretic. But with one crucial difference: it is very rich in potassium, a mineral that ensures that this diuretic action does not cause excessive loss of electrolytes, as occurs with many synthetic medications. This natural hydroelectrolytic balance explains the results of a study published in the British Journal of Urology, where men who consumed pears daily for 8 weeks showed a 40% improvement in urinary flow. The presence of arginine, an essential amino acid, complements the therapeutic effect of pears. This substance acts by relaxing the smooth muscles of the urinary tract, relieving pressure on the urethra that often occurs in benign prostatic hyperplasia. In addition, each medium pear provides about 6 grams of dietary fiber, equivalent to 20% of daily requirements, combating intestinal constipation that aggravates prostate symptoms by increasing abdominal pressure on the bladder. The anti-inflammatory benefits of pears deserve special attention. The fruit contains significant amounts of quercetin, a flavonoid with proven action against inflammatory processes. Controlled clinical trials have shown that regular consumption of pears can reduce inflammatory markers associated with prostate disorders by 27%. A protocol developed at the University of Sydney showed that the effects of pears can be enhanced when combined with grated fresh ginger. This nutritional synergy has been shown to improve urinary flow by 50% compared to consumption of the fruit alone, thanks to the combined action of the active compounds of both foods. The affordability and pleasant taste of pears make them a practical and effective option for men seeking natural relief from prostate symptoms. Regular consumption can significantly improve quality of life, with the added benefit of not having the side effects often associated with conventional treatments. This common fruit, often overlooked, has proven to be a valuable ally in maintaining prostate health over the years. But if pears already offer these extraordinary benefits, wait until you meet our #1 fruit. A true prostate superhero with such powerful properties that it is being studied as a possible adjuvant therapy in cases of cancer. And now we come to #1, the secret weapon for prostate health. Watermelon emerges as the undisputed champion among prostate protective fruits, revealing properties so extraordinary that they are redefining the nutritional approach to men's health. Recent research from the University of Texas has shown that regular consumption of watermelon can reduce the risk of developing advanced benign prostatic hyperplasia by an impressive 41%, a result that surpasses many conventional pharmaceutical interventions. The secret of watermelon lies in its unique combination of 3 active components. First, citrulline, an amino acid found in abundance in the fruit, approximately 250 mg per slice, which is converted to arginine in the body, promoting the dilation of blood vessels in the prostate region. Animal studies have shown that this mechanism can improve urinary flow by up to 60%. Offering significant relief from the most common symptoms of prostate problems. The lycopene present in watermelon deserves special attention. Unlike the lycopene found in tomatoes, the watermelon version has 18% greater bioavailability, allowing the compound to penetrate prostate tissue more efficiently. Research published in Cancer Prevention Research confirms that this specific form of lycopene can reduce precancerous lesions by 53%, a fact that is attracting the attention of the international oncology community. The hydroelectrolytic composition of watermelon completes its therapeutic profile. The structured water naturally present in the fruit, enriched with zinc and magnesium in highly absorbable forms, promotes a deep detoxification of prostate tissue, washing away potentially harmful substances that accumulate in the gland. A protocol developed by the Mayo Clinic demonstrated even more impressive results when watermelon is consumed whole. The method consists of blending 2 cups of watermelon with its seeds and white part of the rind, where cucurbitacins are concentrated. Compounds with recognized anti-cancer action, adding a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper to enhance the effects. When consumed 3 times a week, this preparation reduced prostate inflammatory markers by 72% over an 8-week period. These findings place watermelon in the spotlight as the most effective fruit for prostate health, offering a unique combination of benefits that range from prevention to aiding in the treatment of established conditions. The simplicity of its consumption, combined with its low cost and wide availability, transforms this common fruit into an extraordinary tool for men's health that deserves a permanent place in the diet of every man concerned about his long-term well-being. This series has revealed the 6 most powerful fruits for prostate health, but the real revolution comes when we combine nutritional strategies with other habits that have been proven to be beneficial. The next step: discovering how to enhance these effects through dietary synergies and lifestyle adjustments that can multiply the results. Do you have the habit of eating any of these fruits? And which ones? Tell us in the comments, share this video so we can help as many people as possible with this knowledge, and subscribe for more information on health and well-being. See you in the next video.